How are you today?
I'm really well today, and thank you so much, sir, for asking.
Oh, thank you very much. And where's your full name?
My full name is Nusrat Jahan Mitu, but all my friends and family members call me Mitu. If you feel also comfortable, you can call me Mitu.
Me too. Where are you from?
I'm actually originally from Borishal, which is really a beautiful place. And right now, even though since my childhood, I live in Mirpur, Dhaka.
How many family members do you have?
I have 4 family members, where my parents and my elder brother and me.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman. He owns a pharmacy, and my mom is a housewife. And also, my elder brother is a job holder.
What's your future plan?
My future plan is really simple. Actually, I want to be a great makeup artist in the future. Even if I can't make it, maybe I can be a businesswoman.
After joining Raha's English here, and how do you feel?
I feel really great. I think when I came here first time, I feel really nervous to talk with everyone. But right now, I think it's really improving. Also, my English and pronunciation is really improving.
How have you improved your pronunciation and speaking?
When I first come here, I feel like I say, can I talk with you? But right now I can say, can I talk with you? So it's really improving. And also I do shadowing most of the time. That's why it helps me to
Do you
improve.
think is it effective for learning any language?
Yeah, I think it's really effective because pronunciation, I think, really important. Also, if you can make sentences from yourself, I think, yeah, it's really good for learning any kind of languages.
Okay, whenever you join my class, do you enjoy my class?
I really enjoy because I think you're always enjoyable and have a smiley face, and that's why I really enjoy.
Could you tell me something about your home district?
Yeah, actually, I'm from Borishal. Borishal is really beautiful. All the people are really kind. When I go to Borishal, I feels like it's definitely my home. So yeah.
I'm very happy to talk to you and nice to talk to you. Inshallah, you'll do better whenever you'll complete my spoken courses. Thank you very much and no more today.
Thank
Assalamu
you so much,
alaikum.
sir. Assalamu alaikum.